is me, Maya March, and I'm back with another video. And I just had to let you all see this hair because get into it. Get into it. This is not my natural hair. This is a quick weave. Get into it. Look how natural these kinky bundles are. Let's just get into the tutorial. Today we are using CurlsQueen. As you can see, it comes with a full kit, so it's a free gift. It comes with a brush and a satin bonnet. You'll need only a few things, which is a wig cap, some glue, and a hair protectant. So I do love me a jet black, and I use the watercolor method where I place the jet black in the water and I let it soak for about 5 hours, and then I did wash and condition my hair and let it air dry. Right now I'm just showing you my perimeter. You do not have to leave as much hair out, and my hair is straightened, so it's kind of look a little bit more fluffy, but if it was not straight it wouldn't look like I have so much out, but trust and believe, it's not a lot. Right now I'm just showing you the bundles. This is a 16-inch, and let's just get started. So we're just going to do a quick weave, and because of that I'm just going to do 2 jumbo braids. My hair is already flat because obviously my hair is already kind of pre-straightened. If you feel like there's going to be a hump in your head, please just do smaller braids, but for a quick weave you really don't need it too concise, because it's not like you're going to wear it too long and you'll still get the same results that you're looking for. So this is definitely a beginner's guide. Right now I'm going to add on my first wig cap, but I am going to place 2 because I do not want that glue on my hair. When it's time to remove the glue, it's going to be easy if you place 2, and you can even put a plastic bag technically under these right caps. Now I am just going to use the hair protectant, and you use that because it's going to prevent the hair glue from sticking to your natural hair. If that happens, it can cause significant breakage or hair loss, so you do not want the glue to actually touch your natural hair. It does create a physical and a breathable barrier for the product, so it doesn't damage your hair during the installation or the removal process. So this is a step that I don't suggest for you to miss. And you do also need this to dry, be completely dry before you install your first bundle. Right now I'm measuring my bundles. You do not want to cut them too short, because say if you do a quick weave or you do a sew in, if you want to reuse your bundles, most professionals always want you to have the track long enough from shoulder to shoulder, so no short tracks. So do not cut too many short tracks. Right now I am just gluing the track in. I am taking my time. I'm starting all the way from the base. It may not look like that from these angles, but I am starting all the way from the bottom, and then I'm working my way up to the top, and then we're just going to take that. It's really kind of the same shape as our head, which is a circle. And before you make it to the next track, you just want to make sure you get that all glued on. I did leave a little room at the beginning just because I kind of don't want it to get too stiff, so I allowed for my natural hair to be able to be flexible. So right now, as you can see, I already pre-measured my track, and we're just going to continue to lay those tracks in the same motion for a while. You're just making it to the top, and eventually we're going to change directions, but that's not for a while. These are the CurlsQueen's Kinky Straight bundles, and I did utilize 2 bundles for the full glam look. If you want to just do like more low maintenance hairstyles, 1 bundle would do well, but obviously you need 2 if you're going to do a full head for a quick weave. I would say this was a medium low luster. It's double weft for the hair extensions. It blends seamless with natural hair or relaxed hair. It is 100% human hair with no synthetic fibers. The hair cuts directly from a single donor. The cuticles are aligned in the same direction, and it's non-chemically processed, so obviously it's just going to be a pure brown when you get it, but that's why we did color it the jet black. It is thick from root to tip with naturally tapered ends. It's tangle free and minimum shedding with proper care. It's super easy styling, and it does hold curls very well. The longevity of this hair could last up to a year with proper care and maintenance. And obviously, yes, this hair can be bleached and colored. if you would like to change it. Women love kinky straight bundles because they perfectly mimic the texture of natural blown out 4C 4B hair. It provides a seamless blend, high volume, and a natural look. These bundles are popular for versatility because they could be worn in a natural textured state or a flat iron for a sleek look, while also still being low maintenance, and it is a protective style. Some of the key reasons for it being extremely popular today is just, again, the seamless blending. The texture closely mimics afro texture hair, which is especially when it's blown out, making it ideal for blending with natural hair for a more realistic and undetectable finish, because how would they know? They offer the ability to wear a natural textured look or for a more polished look that can be flat ironed and curled. The volume and thickness, the kinky straight is known for being thick from root to tip. They also allow for a break from daily styling, reducing the need for high heat manipulation on natural hair, and it just gives like a soft, full body look that represents natural hair textures rather than unnatural silkiness, fostering for a my hair but better type feel. And obviously you can add length on it. Now that we are at the top, I want you to take note that I am changing the direction. At first we were going into that oval circle. Now we're just going to place the tracks going straight back. And I didn't add a lot of tracks, but now we're just making them go straight back because we're going to close that in, and then we're going to flip our hair over, because that's how you get the flip over. You only have to cover one track and everything else blends in the back. But don't worry, I will show you. So right now I am taking my hair down just so I can show y'all exactly how flawlessly this hair blends. I kind of wish that I would have put the jet black on my hair. I completely dropped the ball a little bit on that. But obviously, if you color the bundles jet black, you should color your hair jet black as well. So it's just a slight color difference, but I just want you to see how seamless it is. So you can put a ponytail up. I just want you to see also how the sides look. So there you go. Look at that. And like I said, you don't really need a lot of leave out. Mine may just look like I left out a lot, but that's just because I have naturally thick hair and it just naturally look really full and fluffy no matter what I do. So right now I'm just going to use this Tangle hair straightener. It's like a 2-in-1 hair straightener. You can use the flat iron and you can use the brush option, and the brush option actually is really good for this like kinky straight hair, because it probably only took me about 15 minutes to go through everything. So don't forget, even with the kinky bundles, and especially your real hair, to please add a heat protectant. If you anytime you're utilizing heat, always protect your hair. So you'll need a heat protectant, anything that works for you. It does also come in different inches, which is 12 inches all the way down to 26 inches. So it get pretty far, in case you know a lot of people trying to get too close to that 30-inch buzz down. And look at that, look at this blend. I wish it was a little bit longer. I think I was expecting it for it to be at least like 20 something inches. I'm more of a 22-inch 24-inch type of girl, but this one definitely gave like natural vibes. It did add like a little length, but as you can see, my hair is kind of long, so it just added more fullness, and it added just a little bit more length than what my natural hair obviously is from what I've seen at the beginning. So I'm just showing you the view from the back so nobody think no tracks is showing. It was no tracks. And now I'm just going to take my T3 curling iron. This is optional. You can do wand curls, you can do a perm rod set, a flexi rod set, but I chose to just do these curls just to kind of get in and out, because the quick weave did take about an hour and a half to install. So right now I'm just kind of blending in my hair and I'm adding in my edges. I did use the Kiss Edge Control, which I absolutely love. And we are finished with this video. I am so excited. I probably could have like curled it a little bit more, because obviously But I got natural hair and I'm not trying to place too much heat on my head. And the kinky bundles or exactly for that is for it to mimic natural hair. It's not going to be extremely sleek, but I am so excited because this is so fire. Like nobody will ever know that this is not my real hair. Even when it was first blown out, you couldn't even tell. It was already matching my natural hair texture. So I do want to say that I did color this hair. I did put a black dye. I did like a watercolor, so I just put it in like a little some water, the black dye, and then I let it sit for probably about 2 days just because I love a good jet black hair. But I didn't actually color my real hair, so I probably should have did that. But just get into these bundles, you all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you all for watching my video. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't give my tears away. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you're my friend.